Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about a product called Ignite. So this is an Ignite review. This product is being launched on jvzoo on 29th of June, I guess, or maybe 28th, I don't know exactly. But yes, this is the product which we are going to review in this video. So make sure you stick till the end because this is quite interesting review. I have a 50-50 opinion, about this product. So it says at the top here, copy the exact secret formula of $3.6 million market year and get the quickest and easiest way to make money with more than 40 plus top selling jvzoo products. Now, as soon something talks about make money with, I clearly tell no. But I will actually do the detailed review of this product, and then technically I will tell you my conclusion in the end that should you go for this product or not. So make sure you stick till the end if you don't want to lose the money. If you want to lose the money, you can watch some other review videos. Okay, so I don't sell anything here until and unless I find it genuine, and as of now I'm not too sure that you should go for this product or not. I will tell you exactly in the end if you need to go or if you need to skip this product. Okay, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick till the end. Now let's start with the demo first. So here's the demo video. Now I don't understand how come you have a product and the demo video is only 1 minute long. 20 seconds have passed, it's only 1 minute long. So let's play the demo video and let's see what we're gonna see inside in 1 minute. I can't really understand. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see these are the products which you're supposed to have from jvzoo. So let's finish this demo and then we'll talk what they're trying to do here. So this is the members area. Okay, these are the products which you're supposed to own. We'll talk about that later on. Don't own, training to purchase, swipes. Okay, this is the demo. This is all right. There's nothing much in the demo here. So you got 2 pieces of softwares. These are bonuses: easy magic video, easy review videos. What is all this? What is it? Demo's done? This is so much, this is joke. Okay, let's go back to the website here. Now you saw that they're selling a product which is $47 upfront cost, and the demo video of the product is only 1 minute long, 1 minute 20 seconds, and out of those 20 seconds it's only introduction. I mean, it's only like a logo and image. Okay, and there's nothing inside the demo here. You see, you play the video, there's nothing inside how it works, what are you gonna do, what are you gonna get, nothing, right? So that's the demo for you. Now let's see here. It's a 11 minutes brainwashing video. Don't watch it because it's a sales video. You don't have to watch sales video. Okay, now it says unlock every tool, technique, and training you need to make your product investments finally pay out without having to do any of the hard work yourself. Okay, look at how much Matt has helped Mark. What is all that? Okay, I don't understand what is all this. Now this page isn't going to sell you anything. It's going to help you make you money with what you already have. Okay, in fact, the very first okay, let me tell you the concept here. The concept is that if you have some of the jvzoo products which you purchased in your past, then you can refurbish them, then you can rebrand them, and then you can resell them somehow using their software. Now let's take a look at those products which they are talking about. These are those products. So you're supposed to actually have these products automatically, like you're supposed to have these products bought in the past and then you can resell them. So as soon as you get started with Ignite, you'll be able to sell and profit from these kind of products which were launched on jvzoo in the past, and either you will have purchased them or you purchase them now. What is this crap? Here exactly what you are going to get inside. So every training is completely bespoke and will take you by the hand to show you the exact way to make money for each support. Now, first of all, I'm fed up of training. Don't give me training, buddy. I don't need a training, all right? So it's every other smart person is going to teach you how to make money online. right? So everybody is teaching you how to make money online. Buy my software, buy my dashboard. You will be rich, you will make money. Give me $20 and buy my software, and I'll teach you how to make money. Are you out of your mind? Tell me how this software is going to work. So these people have shown a 1-minute demo video and asking you to pay $47 for that, for nothing. And then inside the software you will get some kind of training. You must be kidding me, right? So that training is supposed to brainwash you, and it's supposed to make you a millionaire. So these are the two bonuses they're giving you. First is like they're showing you those products that if you own them, okay, then you can refurbish them and then you can resell them and make profit. If you don't have anything from jvzoo in the past, then they're going to give you these two crap products, I guess. Easy magic video, easy review video. So they're going to give you these two products if you have nothing in the past from jvzoo, and then you sell them. What is all this, right? So technically, as soon any website says that you're going to make some money, buy my software, buy my dashboard, and you will make some thousands of dollars and everything, that's a turn off. That's a proper turn off for me, and it should be a turn off for you as well. And I know I'm losing so much money. I could be an affiliate scammer like others. I don't want to take the name, but you know who are the big fishes on YouTube. If you search for affiliate product review videos, you know how a couple of names comes in the search results, and they are scammers. Because here on this video you can see, I can tell you this product is useless to you. It's not going to make you any money, no matter how beautiful it looks like, how much technical expertise they have put into to make this software and all that. But this thing is only a waste of your time. It's not going to make you any money. All right, so don't worry about this product. If you want to buy, then go ahead and buy at your own risk. If this was supposed to make you money, this should have been making money for them, right? Why don't you use the software to make money for yourself? Why are you selling out for 47 bucks? There are only 3 questions you need to ask. Why is it saying 500 profit? How come how did you calculate this number? This is the first question you need to ask. And if this is $3.6 million market, why don't you use it for yourself? Why do you have to launch these products on jvzoo and Warrior Plus and make small bucks? If you know the secret, use it on yourself. Why are you giving the secret to people in YouTube for $40, right? So I beg people here, don't just buy anything online on the internet. It's totally brainwashing here. You will never make any money, okay? And I'm fed up of these people that buy my course and you will understand how to make money online. Are you out of your mind? There's no such thing. There's no such course. There's no dashboard. There's no software for which you can pay and then you can start making money. There's no such thing, which it doesn't exist in the world, okay? Now, another thing about bonuses, people will be crapping this bonus, that bonus, $10,000 bonus, $5,000 bonus. For God's sake, bonus is, do you know what is the definition of bonus is? Bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account as a liquid cash. That's called bonus. So stay away from those affiliates who sell you crap and give you bonuses. There's no such thing which is going to help you, whether it's a money-making product or whether it's a bonus. Bonus is only brainwashing your mind, brainwashing your brain, okay? So don't fall for the bonuses crap. Bonus is like giving you some free ebooks, some free software, which you never gonna use anyway, okay? So let's say if you want a bonus, I'm going to give you unlimited bonus, right? You go to this website called idplr.com and you can get as much bonus you want from this website, my friend, okay? Go to this website idplr.com, go to free section here. It says free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios, free graphics, free template. Get anything you want. You want some software, click on free software and download whatever you want by signing up to this website. You don't need to depend on somebody else to give you some kind of crap bonus. Bonus is only a diversion, because let's say if you are going to buy the Ignite product and with Ignite you get 4 bonuses, that means you were supposed to work on Ignite, but now you have 4 bonuses which are going to divert your mind and you don't know what to do now. You're all confused. You're trying to operate 5 softwares. You have no idea what has happened to you. You have been just struck in 5 ways and you lost your brain, okay? So stop getting confused, stop getting diverted. There's nothing on the internet which is gonna make money online. Why these YouTubers are making YouTube videos? Do you think they're fools? They're making YouTube videos because they want to sell you crap. by selling crap they'll get 50% commission, and on top of that they'll get YouTube ad revenue. Okay, I am not the same. I'm going to maybe get some money from YouTube ads, but I don't want to sell you crap. You will never see me selling you crap. Okay, whether it's on jvzoo, whether it's on Ria Plus, whether it's on ClickBank, whether it's on Digistore, whatever. So I'm not here to sell you crap. My personal recommendation in the end is do not buy this software. It's very boring software. It looks very pathetic to me. Training? How much training do you need, guys? You don't need training to make money online. You need some skills. If you can't talk on the camera, if you can't talk on in mic, you can't make YouTube videos. If you don't know how to make a website, then learn. If you don't know how to do SEO, then go and learn. It's all free. Go onto YouTube, learn everything for free. So you don't have to pay anybody to teach you how to make money online, because nobody can put money into your pocket. They will take the money out of your pocket. You will give them $47. That means the money is gone from your pocket. They have taken the money from your pocket. If the system is going to make you money, they're supposed to put $47 into your pocket first and then ask you to do the trading. Okay? If this system was so powerful, they'll pay you in cash first and then say, hey, use my system. When you earn, then you give my money back. This is how the world needs to work if it was a genuine thing. So this is a scam product, I have no hesitation to say, and buy it at your own risk if you want to buy. And I know I'm losing so much money because I'm being honest here, and honest people will make less money or maybe don't make any money at all. So, and if you want to have something called bonus, if you want to free your mind from bonuses crap, then go to idpillar.com, get whatever you want from here. Don't fall for that crap of affiliates which are selling you $5,000 bonus, $10,000. It's not money. Nobody is putting money into your bank account. If somebody is giving you cash into your hand, into your account, that could be called as a bonus. Don't fall for this bonus crap. Okay, I'll clean up this mess. I swear, give me 2 years, I'll clean up this affiliate marketing mess, and you will just wait and watch what happens in next 2023. People will follow me. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video.